Right, it's the first day in August. This is the penultimate round of the East London Velo Hog Hill series, held here at the Redbridge Cycle Centre. These are the E12s. So late's gone to the front. Gives entry. And off in the distance is London and the Olympic Games, of course. So, one rider off, it's Wojciech. Orbia is gone. This side is David Nichols chasing. Andrew Griffiths has put the pressure on. Richard De Silva sees the danger, but the rest of them don't look too convinced about who wants to do the work chasing down. It's quite a stiff wind tonight, so two away in the E12s, two chasing. God, they're also enthusiastic, aren't they? And here comes the chase. Oh, Steve Lampier on the right hand side, going for it. Oh, we've got a crash. They're okay. First time we've seen a crash on the hill. E12s, we got Andrew Griffiths and Richard De Silva have moved away. We've got Steve Lampier and two others joining them. Our crash victim from the previous lap. Here comes Ben Moores. Adam French, who crashed on going up the hill of the Hogberg the previous lap. First time I've seen that, but there you go. E12's now got 6 away. It's a very good group. Thompson's tailed by Andrew and Steve from Sigma. Here comes the chase. We got Wojciech on the front. Steve Lampier has gone on to the front, so this is really starting to mow to it. And where's the race? Now we got Wojciech, Ben Moore, Stockio, and is that Owen? Come on, David! Come on, boys! It's beginning to rain. I can feel rain on my legs. Andy Lance has gone through. So Steve Lampier powers down the hill. We've got a rainbow behind us. We've got David and Andrew Nichols and Ben Moores on the front. Josh Griffin. Steve Lampier's attacking this group away in the E12. There's a few bits behind us, this chasing group. Ben Moores is trying to bridge get with these three. Keir. And there's the rest of the race way off in the distance, slumbering. They're quite relaxed, aren't they? The geometry.
Yeah, it's kind of lovely. We like the price last year.
Griffiths this time on the front, trying to shake these up. So last Steve Lampier previous lap, but now it's Andrew pulling the breakaway. We got this chasing group coming up. And where the rest of them, got Ben Moores and another rider just down in the distance. And there's the rest of the race way over in the corner. Andrew Griffiths is this time pulling them along, and it splintered them. And the chasers are actually coming up to them. There's David Nichols, Andrew's brother, is in there. Ben and Keir trying to bridge the gap, and they're being joined by these three in the distance. And the race is a little bit closer. Steve Lampier's attacked from this group. We're getting towards the end of the race. There's about 8 or so race laps to go for this group. 4 for them. Leading E12s. Hot chick on the front. Dulwich away in the E12s. Got himself a nice gap. Steve Lampier is not going to let that happen. He's responding very strongly. So is Andrew Griffiths, but not bringing anyone with him, otherwise he'd be stupid. In E12s, we've got 4 away now. David Nichols, Andrew Griffiths, Steve Lampier, and Dulwich Rider. Was it Wilkinson? We've got Andy Nichols trying to come across, so it's really getting quite exciting here. And we'll check. The board's out. Steve Lampier's really pulled them along. 5 to go, 4 to go. David Nichols is looking at them with views, and they're coming back. This group are eating into the advantage of the riders who are down the bottom. Give him a lap, board. Andrew Griffiths has attacked. Got a good advance. David Nichols is responding. Steve Lampier is going to chase. The bell for Andrew. David is coming back, but he's been marked by Steve Lampier, teammate of Andrew Griffiths. This is the battle for 4th coming up the hill. I think this is it Owen on the front. This is the battle for 4th. Next on the road in the E12s. Dan Young's trying to bridge across the break. Catch those 2 away. There's Keir. The rest of the race. So with the flag being waved, Andrew Griffiths comes up to win. Coming up should be David and Steve Lampier. Steve Lampier has just been sitting on David for a lap after that, playing teammate. So who's going to take it? Steve Lampier takes 2nd after playing. Very smart ride by Steve there. Worked for his teammate Andrew Griffiths. Sat on David for a lap after. This is for 4th place. We've got Adam French on the front. So Adam French takes 4th. Ooh. Road is Ben. Good try. And Dan Young has got away from the group. Nice one, Dan. Is this Scott coming up? And here comes the rest of them. Rest of the race scattered everywhere.